Hello people, your wizard or Golak here. Today I'm gonna show you the very easy and simple way I draw big, beautiful, sparkling eyes on a super cute puppy using the one, the great, the Clippy Studio Paint. But they are not sponsoring this video. I mean, yet. Who knows, maybe. The focus of the video is to show you specifically how to get those eyes popping and shining. However, I don't want to just start with the whole drawing already done, So I'm gonna be showing you very quickly how I drew this handsome fella right here. For the sketch, I'm using very simple shapes, very roughly, and I'm using the mechanical pencil. Also, this illustration is very simple, so feel free to follow along and also download the full project in the link in the description. I've also included the exported layers, so you can draw it in any software you may prefer. For the line art, I'm using the brush pen. One quick tip here is that when drawing fur, you don't need to draw each individual strand of hair. You can simply go for the shape of the hair at the edges of your subject. And you also don't need to do it too much, okay? Just in a few spots you can easily convey the idea of fur and the volume. I did the line art in a vector layer, which is one of Clip Studio Paint's best tools because not only you can draw with any of the pen, pencils or brushes, maintaining their textures, but also you can change them later super easily. Now I'm gonna just slap some color in there using the fill tool, which is a lifesaver by the way, and also add some super basic shading. This whole illustration is so easy, so simple, I won't even add highlights, well, except for that little spot on the nose. I guess I really went for the extra mile there, or should I say kilometer? Sorry guys, I'm not British. Sometimes I just get possessed by an evil English nobleman and he is not humble at all. Sorry about that. I drew the eyes in a separate layer and added on top a clipping layer, so everything we draw will stay in the area of the eyes. Now for the shininess. Let's start by adding a very vibrant color on the top and bottom of the eyes and blend it a bit with the blur tool. Now, using the Paint and Apply tool, let's add some white circles to both eyes following the same pattern to really make them pop with some reflections. I also like to add some small random details, just try to keep them in the same pattern in both eyes. And now to finish it, let's use the built-in sparkle tool to add, well, sparkles, of course. One cannot have sparkling eyes without sparkles. And that's it guys. That's the tutorial. You can download the full project in the link in the description. And if you enjoyed the time we spent together here, and learned something new, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel. It really helps. Bye!